Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recommend TikTok videos. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps. And after this, in here, if you wanna see the TikTok video that you can like, if you wanna recommend this video to your friends, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the share button, this one, click on it, and after this, in here you can swipe until you can see your friends. Maybe you can send this video to your friends. I wanna try to this one, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you can click write a message, and you can write this video is very recommended for you. Okay, like this, and after this, in here you can click on the send at the bottom. Okay, and finish. So that how to recommend a TikTok video. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.